science angikho phela wena nje mase ngitshela ama-paces and what leyo mina uyangishaya straight.
It seems as if now we'll repeat one and the same thing now, because I've already alluded that I'm not good in maths.
Even the
Now, when
science.
now you are engaging me
Maths
on
and
paces
Yeah, maths and
and
science.
everything, even science.
Ngathi ngifuna i-maths ngizoyenzani sesiyotshela ngama-paces and what.
Really, that is tiring me now, because now you are asking me about maths, and I'm also not good even in science. Now you are engaging me again in science.
No, sir, with the greatest of respect.
Council wants to simply know, you are employed as a security officer. You were standing on the scene. He simply is asking you, if you don't have a tape measure, you can't estimate with precision. All he's saying is that if you had to walk, how many paces will it be between point A and B? Am I right, Mr. Kukia? That's what you want
Yes,
to do.
indeed, sir.
Just to estimate, just to guess, use the word guesstimate.
Uthi ke manje bakufuna nje ugesi. Ufuna uyazi manje usuka la wawume khona. Masusebenza ke manje ama-pace. Ungahamba ama-pace amangaki ukuya laphana ngase roboting.
Unless mhlambe kusasa sibuye sizophinda lo mbuzo lo ngabe ngeke ngiyokhawunta ukusuka lapha engangikhona ukubheka naserobotini ukuthi iy'tephu zami zingaki.
My Lord, maybe if I can be given an opportunity or a chance for me to go there after the adjournment, to go there and count for myself the paces, maybe I will come back and able to tell the court the paces from where I was standing to the robots.
Yes, sir. It's going to become very difficult if you're not going to do your best to answer my questions, because I'm not going to go away. I'm going to continue asking those questions until you answer.
Uthi ke manje ndoda kuzoba nzima ngoba manje angeke akuyekele neze ongaphelelanga imibuzo. Uza kuhlala uze ugobe iphondo.
So I'll put it to you in a different way. Is it more than 10 paces that you would walk from the entrance
Uthi ngaba
this place where you were at the time of the shooting?
uthi ke manje angakuzama ingaba 10 paces usuka la wawume khona ubuye kundawo yesigameko.
Wethu lo mbuzo Samile i-answer khona imini ngiyacela ngokukhulu ukuzithoba nokuzehlisa phambi kwale nkantolo nezifungo zami engizenzile endabeni yama-pace nakuma-measuring what. Hey mina ungangifaki lapho mfowethu unless sabe soyi-2 mina nawe siyokhawunta ama-paces okusuka le ukuya erobotini nokusuka la kangikhona ukuya egadroom. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuzikhawuntela ngiyi-1.
My Lord, with great respect, I'm repeating myself. I'm saying that I'm not good in maths. Unless I can be given an opportunity to go, I personally to go there and count for myself. For now, my Lord, with great respect, I'm unable to answer.
Can I perhaps ask you,